Hello, Bill Sherrill here today, and I'm with Alex, and it's time to talk about windshield wiper blades. Hopefully, we're getting out of winter, going into a little bit more rain season and the summer travel. So, can you tell us a little bit about what windshield wiper blades are made that they are, and what makes them good? What makes a good blade?
Yes, certainly. So a lot of times what makes a good blade is the structure of the rubber right here. It's a little bit hard to see, but a lot of times we want to
That
get it.
little fringe underneath, right?
Yes, sir. Little fringe right underneath that little piece of rubber. And also, I like to take a look at the structure here because a lot of times this is called a beam style blade. So what it does is it keeps contact with the window when you use your wipers, and the wind kind of helps it keeps contact constantly when you're driving.
And that makes sense.
Yeah.
You want contact because it's going to move the water.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, and compared to a conventional style blade where you kind of have holes for it, it just kind of goes through it. It doesn't really keep contact. So, at all our Sherrill Tire locations, we sell mainly beam style blades.
Okay.
So, a lot of times we like to sell these stuff.
Yeah, and it keeps contact. So that if if I'm getting streaks or whatever, it's probably that little fine fin of rubber underneath it that the blade isn't broke, but it's the little rubber that's got damage.
Yes, so a lot of times when you'll notice that.
Yeah.
You need a new wiper blade. That's how you tell it. You see that little streak right in the middle.
Yeah.
So that's a time for new wiper blades.
And it's not necessarily just a pine needle caught in the blade.
New.
That's when I always think, start out by lifting up and cleaning the bottom and then check it out again.
Exactly. So make sure, if you're at a gas station, or you can have one of us do it. You can grab a piece of rag from the gas station, just kind of clean that blade right under there, just with a rag.
A great preventative care before buying another.
Exactly, because sometimes it could be a piece of dirt, it could be a pine needle. So a lot of times, instead of just assuming you need wiper blades, try that first. If that still happens, then it's time for new wiper blades. Perfect. And here at Sherrill Tire Service, we'll be more than happy to install them when you purchase them for us.
Fantastic. Thank you, Alex, for all that information.
No problem.
And we'll see you next time.